Hey guys, let's see how to create a Windows 11 installation USB drive. So I have the thumb drive here, and I'm going to create a bootable USB with Windows, okay? So it's super simple. The first thing that I have to do is just come here to Google and type Windows 11 Media Creation Tool, okay? And then you're gonna get this link here. The first link is going to work. There we go. You have some instructions here on how to do it. You see Windows 10 and 11 here. So you can just go to download the tool. And after that, you just run the tool on Windows itself and use a flash drive to create the USB drive. Okay, the flash drive must have at least 8 gigabytes of space. So let's just do this, right? So I have the link here. Oh, now when I click here to download it, it sent me to this download Windows 11 creation tool. So here you see that I have an installation assistant. It's not the one, okay? So just come down and use this one. Create Windows 11 installation media. That's the tool. Just come here, click download now. It's going to download to your computer. There we go. And then you just install this tool. I already have it installed here. So for me it's okay, it's already working here, but when installed for the first time, when you're trying to install, it takes a while, okay? So don't rush. You see here that I clicked and it takes like at least 1 minute to show up something on the screen. So you don't see anything, just wait for a while and you're gonna see later the tool come up and start the installation. There we go. You see that something is happening here. So when I click it, you see getting a few things ready. So that's the initial setup. So just be patient, wait for it to finish. There we go. Now you just need to accept the term here. There we go. Here's the language, English United States. On my Windows is a Windows 11. Okay. So I just hit next. And now I need a flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes. Let me just insert a flash drive here. There we go. Click next here. Refresh the list so I can select the flash drive. And it's saying here that it needs to have at least 8 gigabytes. Okay. So this one is not enough. So I can just remove and insert another one. There we go. Refresh the list. Just close this, refresh the list, select it and hit next. Okay, now it's working because this one has higher capacity, right? Now you need to wait. Usually here it takes a long time, like 10 to 15 minutes to download and prepare your flash drive. So just be patient and wait. Okay guys, there you go. See, it takes a long time, but it's ready. Now you just click here, finish, and you're good to go. You're gonna have your flash drive ready, right? So let me just open it up here. You see that I have this USB flash drive, and here it has everything that you need to boot up your computer and install Windows 11. Okay, hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.